Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Awesome Pattern Studio is probably one of the most revolutionary tools for designers, artists, and hobbyists looking to effortlessly create stunning and unique patterns, transforming complex ideas into beautiful, repeatable designs with intuitive controls and a vast array of features that truly elevate your creative workflow and bring your artistic visions to life in ways you never thought possible, making pattern generation accessible to everyone. Number 5. Mr. Pen Tracing Paper Roll 12x 20 yards. Need a versatile tool for your artistic or design projects? This high-quality tracing paper roll is designed to meet all your tracing and writing needs. Crafted from high-quality translucent vellum, it offers a smooth surface. This ensures convenient and easy tracing with pencils, pens, and markers. Measuring 12 inches by 20 yards, it provides ample material for various tasks. You can easily cut it to your preferred size and length for any project. Simply lay it over your design or image on a flat surface and secure it. It's perfect for beginner artists, architects, and graphic designers alike. Use it for drawing, sketching, or tracing over photo prints, logos, and designs. It's ideal for school projects, scrapbooking, or creating personalized greeting cards. What we like? This tracing paper roll offers exceptional versatility for all your creative needs. Its generous size and ability to be cut to any length make it perfect for large-scale projects or intricate details. If you're an artist, architect, or crafter looking for a customizable and high-quality tracing medium, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Doll Studio Boutique. Welcome to a world of miniature fashion. This studio boutique offers endless possibilities for your doll's wardrobe. Imagine crafting an entire collection of outfits. You can design and create a full wardrobe tailored for your dolls. Discover an impressive array of options. It provides 46 different garments and accessories to choose from. From stylish dresses to charming hats, every detail is covered. These designs ensure your dolls are always fashion-forward. Specifically designed for a popular doll size, these patterns fit perfectly. Your 14-inch dolls will look stunning in their new attire. What we like? For doll enthusiasts, this studio boutique offers an extensive collection of patterns. With 46 garments and accessories, it provides endless possibilities to create a complete wardrobe for your 14-inch dolls. If you love sewing for dolls and want a wide variety of stylish options, this comprehensive set is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Awesome Pattern Studio Needle Minder Set. Tired of losing your needles or accidental pokes? This clever tool securely holds them in place, preventing both loss and potential mishaps. It also comes with 2 bonus needle threaders. These make threading your needles quick and incredibly easy, saving you time and frustration. Adorned with an intricate mandala frog design, this enamel pin adds a touch of beauty to your crafting. It's not just functional, it's a stylish accessory. Crafted from premium, durable materials, you can trust it for long-lasting performance. This ensures it will be a reliable companion for countless projects. Whether you're working on cross-stitch, embroidery, or general sewing, it's perfect for all your needlework needs. It's an essential addition to any crafter's toolkit. What we like? This clever accessory ensures your needles stay put, preventing loss and accidental pokes. The included threaders make starting new projects a breeze, saving you time and frustration. If you're a cross-stitcher or embroiderer who values organization and efficiency, this stylish needle minder set is a must-have. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source was empty. Number 2. Heart 3D K109 Counted Cross-Stitch Kit. Discover the joy of crafting with this comprehensive cross-stitch kit. It provides everything you need to create a beautiful 3D heart design. Inside, you'll find a complete set of threads, multiple needles, and high-quality Ida fabric. These essential components ensure a smooth and enjoyable stitching experience. This kit also includes a convenient threader and precise clippers. These handy tools make your embroidery process easier and more efficient. You'll receive 4 distinct color patterns, printed on A3 paper for clarity. They offer various formats, including symbols and color blocks, to suit your preference. The design is sized for 16-count Ida fabric, measuring approximately 6.5 by 6.19 inches. This makes it an ideal project for both beginners and experienced stitchers. Please note that an embroidery hoop is not included with this kit. You may wish to acquire one separately for your stitching comfort. What we like. This cross-stitch kit provides everything you need to create a beautiful heart 3D design. It comes with threads, needles, fabric, and multiple printed patterns, making it ideal for beginners and experienced stitchers alike. If you're looking for a complete project with clear instructions and a charming design, this kit is an excellent starting point. What people say. Number 1. Mandala Bear K166 Cross-Stitch Kit. Discover the joy of cross-stitching with this comprehensive kit. It provides all the essential threads, needles, and fabric you need to begin your next beautiful project. This kit is designed for a 16-count Ida fabric, resulting in a finished piece approximately 6 by 5.8 inches. It's an ideal size for framing or gifting once completed. Inside, you'll find a full set of vibrant threads, 3 needles, and high-quality white 16-count Ida fabric. It also includes a convenient threader and clippers to assist you. To guide your stitching, it offers 4 distinct color-printed patterns in A3 format. You can choose from black and white symbols, color blocks, or color blocks with symbols, whatever suits your preference. While an embroidery hoop is not included, this kit provides all other necessary tools and materials. Get ready to embark on a relaxing and rewarding crafting experience with it. What we like. Discover the joy of cross-stitching with this all-inclusive kit featuring a captivating mandala bear. It includes all necessary materials and 4 distinct pattern formats to suit your preferred stitching method. If you appreciate intricate designs and desire a well-organized kit that guides you through every step, this one is perfectly suited. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.